Hi everyone, I'm Anupam. We are going to start a new course on Terraform in which we'll cover the Terraform concept with the help of deploying resources on Google Cloud Platform. But if you are not aware of GCP, you don't need to worry much as we'll deploy only basic resources like VPC and Subnet on GCP to explain Terraform concepts. We'll make a separate series specifically for infrastructure resource deployment on Google Cloud Platform wherein we'll deploy different services on GCP with the help of Terraform. So this series is specifically designed to make you learn and understand different Terraform concepts only. So let's get into the course details and prerequisites. To start with the course, a couple of prerequisites are required. From software point of view, you can use any operating system like Windows, Linux or Mac OS to install Terraform. We'll use Terraform 1.5.0 throughout the course. We also need a Google Cloud SDK to authenticate ourselves to Google Cloud Platform to deploy resources in order to learn Terraform. And then the last one is the code editor. We will use VS Code to write Terraform code, but you can use any code editor of your choice. Now let's check it out the agenda for this complete course in Terraform. We have divided this Terraform course in 5 modules. In module 1, we will cover HashiCorp configuration language, Terraform providers and plugins and important blocks like resource block, Terraform block, provider block, Terraform variables, wherein we'll see that how can we declare variables and what are optional arguments supported by variable declaration, variables data type and type conversion, how can we assign values to root module variables. We'll also see the environment variables and then the core Terraform workflow, which will cover the important Terraform commands. In module 2, we'll see a dependency log file, Terraform output values, Terraform locales, and we'll also see couple of looping constructs available in Terraform like count and for each. Terraform expressions like for expression, splat expression, conditional expression, etc. How can we format the code using the native command available in Terraform like Terraform FMT. We'll also see the code validation part and then a couple of commands on inspecting the infrastructure. In module 3, we'll cover the dependency management like implicit dependency, explicit dependency. Then we'll see the Terraform backends, local and other remote backend. We'll also see the Terraform state file and then the state locking, built-in functions. There are so many built-in functions available in Terraform, but we'll see the important ones like a couple of string built-in function and couple of built-in function for the collection data types. And then we'll see the Terraform modules, wherein we'll see that how can we develop the module, how can we call a developed module, what all arguments are required while calling the module, etc. In module 4, we'll discuss Terraform drift detection, resource behavior and life cycle. In life cycle block, there are 4 arguments are supported: create before destroy, prevent destroy, ignore changes, replace triggered by. We'll see all these arguments inside lifecycle block. And then the newly introduced Terraform data managed resource type, data sources in Terraform, importing and managing existing infrastructure, and then the environment variables. We'll also see how can we implement logging in Terraform in order to debug certain issues. uh, in module 5, we'll see the Terraform workspaces concept, and then we'll also look into the Terraform provisioners to do some post configuration tasks. In Terraform provisioners, we'll cover local exec, remote exec, and file provisioners. And then in the end, we'll deploy a sample infrastructure on Google Cloud Platform, which will cover the deployment of VPC, subnets, firewall, private and public IPs, virtual machine, compute disk, service account, unmanaged instance group, etc. So that's it for the agenda of this course. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the lectures.